Hey again. I wanted to show you my progress on my Royal Tiger Imports K98. The stock was like done. It was being held together by this metal band, which I will leave on there. But I've taken wood glue, put it in there, and clamped it together for a couple days. I had to use a piece of hardwood right there. That chunk that I cut off of the FR8, if you've watched the other videos, that is part of it right there. I didn't get the seam matched up fully. As you can see, there's a little bit of a seam down in there, but I'll keep filling that with some glue and wood putty, and it'll be alright, I guess, in the end. But I tried to bevel out there for the magazine area to go to the place where the stock bolt goes through. I'm hoping it'll fit. I've not tried it yet, but I'm pleased with how it come out. This wood glue, it's Gorilla wood glue, and it holds, but there's areas where I'll have to do a little bit of filling. It just isn't. I've got it smooth right there, you know, it may not look like it, but the main objective was to get this piece glued to this one, because this was like a lever area and stock was just coming apart when you moved it sideways. So yeah, I've replaced the chunk. May have to take a little bit right there. We'll see how it fits, but I'm pleased overall with it. Like I said, I'm not an expert in woodworking, but I do my best. This camera actually is picking up the crack area better than what I can see it with the naked eye. But I did what I needed to do in order to save this stock, because I think it'll be nice stock once I get it cleaned up. I'll do what it takes to get it to look right, but I don't need it to look brand new. I hate the look of a brand new stock on an old worn blued gun. That just doesn't match up the way it needs to. I'm leaving the rack numbers, I guess you'd call them, and I went over right quickly the coin, which is a cool piece to keep. That is the Ethiopian crest or a symbol. I forget who that is, slaying a dragon. You can see him there on horseback. See a chunk right here that I'll probably not fool with. That's just where there had a crack running right here, and that's the end of it. But yeah, I'm pleased overall. Just wanted to show you my progress on the wood of the K98. Until next time.